My name is Gerard.
Gerard, okay.
Gerard.
Gerard. Which school?
Which school?
So now there are a few colors in front of you. Can you identify these colors for me one by one? Pick up one color.
Meaning, say their colors' names.
Yes. One color. Just remove the other colors. Just one color. Just one color. Yes, yes. The one which is in your hand. Smell it. Tap it near your ear. Put it on your forehead. Can you identify what color this is?
Is it red or pink?
Very close to pink. Just concentrate more.
Red.
Red. Very good. Can you clap loudly? Very good. The other one?
This one also.
No, don't touch your blindfold. This one, just try it. Just open the door.
Is it like the same thing, but the other color pink?
The other one was darker, and this is
This one light. So this is pink.
this pink. And don't open your blindfold. Very good. Can you clap for him? See, this is just half workshop done, and he's able to do it. Now third one, huh? Nicely. You're doing very good. Just smell it. Tell me, what do you see? Are you seeing something?
No. I can only see a red thing or a maroon thing in front of
No.
my
What
eyes.
color are you holding in your hand? Can you tell me that? Smell it again.
Orange? Is it orange?
Orange. Yes. Can you clap for him? Now tell me what did you see? You saw an orange flower or something? Orange fruit?
Orange? Nothing orange.
Only orange
smell.
color?
No, only smell of the orange color.
Smell of the orange color. Okay. Now which one are you holding? What color is there in your hand? Can you tap it? Can you smell it? Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling hot on your skin? Touch it on your skin.
Blue.
Blue. Clap for him, right? It's a wonderful thing. Amazing. Half workshop mein he is able to tell everything. Now tell me this one. Very good. I'm very happy. Tap it nicely near your ear, beta. Yes. And then smell it. And then put it on your forehead. And take it far like I have taught you. Take it far and then take it close to your forehead. Now tell me.
Is it green?
Green. Yes. Loudly clap. Very loudly. And the last color. Very good. Just half workshop done. 2 modules and he is already activated.
Yellow?
Yellow. And what did you see?
Nothing. Only smell like yellow. Everything smelled like their own color, but I couldn't see them.
Acha. So you are smelling them. So in yellow, what did you smell?
I all same, but there it was little like how sweet smell like that. There is a little bit.
Sweet smell. Okay. Okay. And in the blue, there was a
Like it was cold or hot.
cold on your hand. Okay. And orange mein?
Orange was like so like it was smelling like how egg smells, but the yolk, not the anything. Yes, the yolk.
In the orange smells like a what?
Like the egg smell, but
Like egg smell. Okay.
like the yolk.
Okay. And the red one?
Red one was like hot or something.
Hot.
Or warm.
Okay. And the pink?
Pink.
You can leave the colors
See.
while you're talking to me.
Okay.
With the pink.
Yeah. Pink was like
You could
same
see.
like red, but it was little bit of.
No, very cute. Yes, it is same like red. It is the same family of color, but it
Yeah,
was
but
little dull
dull.
than red, है ना?
Can I remove?
Yes, you can remove. Awesome. Good boy. Such nice dimples.